What's up, you guys? Big Z in this one from Learn Bengali, and welcome to another Bengali tutorial by Big Z. This is a little special tutorial as I'm going to introduce you to interrogative sentences or Proshnobodak Bakko in Bangla, and I'm also going to go over the five W's. So that's basically in English for interrogative sentences, you have the five W's, right? You go who, what, where, when, and why. So I'm gonna tell you what they are in Bangla. Okay, definitely I'm not gonna go over the English one. We all know what they are. I just went over them: who, what, where, when, and why. So, what are these in Bengali? Let's go over, and I'm also gonna teach you how to say interrogative sentence in Bangla. Okay, let's get started. All right, so we got Proshnobodak Bakko or interrogative sentence. This looks pretty difficult to a lot of people. Unless you're a native speaker, it would make sense to you, okay? So here we have পয়রফলা, তালিবাস্য সংযুক্ত ন, প্রশ্ন, and বয়কার বো, ধ, ক, বোধক. Once again, পয়রফলা, তালিবাস্য সংযুক্ত ন, বয়কার বো, ধ, ক, ক, বোধক. So প্রশ্ন বোধক, and notice that this is দন্তান্ন and not a মধ্যাহ্ন. We're going to cover that in our one of the other lessons for sure. But yeah, পয়রফলা তালিকাভাষ্য সংযুক্ত ন বয়কার বো ধ ক প্রশ্নবোধক বাক্য বয়কার বা ক জফলা বাক্য প্রশ্নবোধক বাক্য interrogative sentence. Okay, so we start with K, that is who in English. So this is koyakar K, basically K. It's as simple as that. Who looks complicated compared to this? K, koyakar K. So that's who. Okay. Example is apni ke. Who are you? Who are you? Apni ke, right? Should be simple. And then we have ki, which is what. So this is Koroshika ki. Koroshika ki. What? So Koroshika ki is what? That's ki. Ki is what, okay? Apni ki chan. So what do you want? Apni ki chan. So Shorea, po, Noroshika ni, apni. Koroshika ki. That's just ki. And chan. Choakar cha, dontanno. Chan. Apni ki chan. What do you want? Okay. Note that I'm using formal Bangla here. You can also say tumi ki chao, but I don't want to complicate it now. So just keep it simple. So shoria po norishikar ni apni korishikar ki choakar cha dontanno chan apni ki chan. Simple as that. Then we have kothai, where, right? Koyakar ko, thoyakar tha untostio kothai. Once again, koyakar ko, thoyakar tha untostio kothai. That is where. Kothai, where? Apni kothai. Where are you? So apni is, you know how to spell it. Shoya, po, norishika ni. And this is dontan here. Dontan norishika ni. Apni. Koyakar ko, thoyakar ta, untustio. Kothai. Apni kothai. Where are you? Right? Kokon. Ko, ko, dontan no. Kokon. That is when. Ko, ko, dontan no. Kokon is when. Apni kokon ashben. When will you come? Once again, shoya, po, dontanno roshikar ni, apni, ko, ko, dontanno kokon, shoya, dontasho, boyakar be, dontanno, ashben. Apni kokon ashben. When will you come? Okay, so now we have keno, that is why. Once again, why is keno. So koyakar ke, dontanno, keno. And I've written that English version here, and then why is at the bottom there. So that's keno. And I'm gonna give you a sentence. That's a famous meme. Why are you running? Okay, why are you running? আপনি দৌড়াচ্ছেন কেন?
Why are you running? Why are you running?
So I had to put that thing up there. It's too funny. I mean, that's a meme everyone knows about. If you don't know about this meme, then by means of watching my video, you'll be able to understand what this meme is all about. You can Google it and everything, learn more about it. But I'm going to translate the English into Bangla now, okay? Okay, yeah, so why are you running is আপনি দৌড়াচ্ছেন কেন? So সরেয়া প দন্তান্ন রসিকার নি আপনি and then দৌড়াচ্ছেন. So this is the tricky part here. So দ ওকার দৌ দ ওকার দৌ বসিন দশিন্নর আকার. This is not বসিন্নর, this is দশিন্নর. Okay, see, even I'm making mistakes. দ ওকার দৌ দশিন্নর আকার দৌড়া and this is চ ছ সংযুক্ত এ. So that becomes দৌড়াচ্ছে. And then this is দন্তান্ন, okay? Then we have দৌড়াচ্ছেন. And there's কেন. So আপনি দৌড়াচ্ছেন কেন? দ ওকার দৌ দশিন্ন রো আকার রা ছয় ছয় সংযুক্ত এ দন্তান্ন দৌড়াচ্ছেন and then কয়েকার কে দন্তান্ন কেন? আপনি দৌড়াচ্ছেন কেন? Why are you running? Why are you running? Okay, so that is the basic introduction to the Bangla interrogative sentences. Watch this video multiple times if you have to. If you have questions, comment below and try to memorize what, who, where, when, and why. Yeah, five W's in Bangla, okay? Not in English, but in Bangla, okay? Thank you very much for watching this video, guys, and do not forget to subscribe. Big Z out.